Quick review on this GearWrench set that I've been using now for a few days since I purchased it. I don't know about you, but I couldn't wait anymore. I had to have this. I've been waiting for this for over a year. This is the 55-piece ratchet and bit driver set from GearWrench, part number 81039. And look at this guy right here. 2 ratchets come in there with the 1/4-inch head. You get all those sockets. Look at all the bits that come in there, and you get an extension. I use it for delicate stuff inside the car, inside the cabin. Here's a perfect example. We have a car with a broken mirror. Somebody hit it. You can see here, it's pretty beat up, but this is an easy repair. Don't forget to remove the connector. It's easy, just pinch and pull. And before you close up the mirror, make sure to put it back in. Here we have 3 10mm nuts. We're gonna take those off. Now this particular ratchet isn't really made for you to put a lot of weight on it and strength. So small jobs like this is exactly what it's made for. Let's quickly review the pros and cons of this 55-piece 1/4-inch drive SAE and metric slim head set designed for versatility. You get 2 ratchets, one 6-inch, one 12-inch, sporting a 72-tooth mechanism with a 5-degree arc swing. Each has a multifunction adapter head, which converts between bit driver and 1/4-inch ratchet with a 9-position locking flex head. The slimline design of each ratchet is only 0.73 inches wide and 0.49 inches thick. Both have a flush mount, forward and reverse switch, which all comes with GearWrench's no-hassle lifetime warranty. The cons are that it doesn't come with a carrying case, and the other con is that many of you perceive this to be an easy-to-break set. But I can tell you it doesn't seem like that from my initial testing. The weakest parts seem to be the pin where the ratchet meets the body of the handle, and potentially the flush mount forward and reverse switch. You get a nice selection of hex, Torx, Phillips, and slotted bits made of S2 steel. And you get 10 1/4-inch drive metric sockets from 4mm to 13mm, and you get 10 1/4-inch drive SAE sockets from 3/16 to 9/16, and a couple of extensions. Now we're changing to the smaller one because the long one it's just too long, and we've gone ahead and loosened these 10mm bolts up. So far working great. With those bolts removed, now we can go ahead and take off this whole assembly that unfortunately got hit by a car. Now we go ahead and get the new mirror and pop that guy in. Just like that. All right, you're just gonna start these by hand. Just get them started, and then we'll ratchet them all up. Perfect for little jobs. Don't forget the connector. Now we just put this piece on right here, just like that, and snap it in. There you guys go, nice and fixed. And that's exactly what that little GearWrench set is for. Simple, easy stuff, delicate stuff inside the cab. That's what I use it for, and that's why I think it'll last pretty long. I'm not gonna put any weight, I'm not gonna crank down on it. It's gonna do great. You see, I've been wanting this tool set for quite some time because I need a tool set that remains clean so that I could do work inside the cab and I won't dirty up the customer's car. Many DIYers tend to use the same tools that they have in their toolbox that they use for inside the engine in an oily, grimy situation or underneath the car, bring those inside the cab and remove a gas pedal or do some delicate work, and they leave everything kind of grimy and dirty. I don't want to do that. I'm striving for professional level work. So I've decided on this tool set from GearWrench, which I think is a great set. This tool set is designed for delicate, clean work. At least that's the way I see it, and that's the way I'm using it. Hence the reason why it's performing well. Many of you who have said that it doesn't work well or breaks on you, you're using it for all kinds of other situations inside the engine, underneath the car, and pushing down probably really hard to 50, 80 foot-pounds. I don't know. I have no clue how hard you're pushing these tools. But right now, for what they're doing, they're perfect.